enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we embark on a cosmic journey to explore the captivating story of our solar system, its past, present, and the thrilling possibilities that lie ahead. Join us as we navigate through the celestial history and speculate on the future of the cosmic neighborhood we call home. Our tale begins over 4.6 billion years ago, when a vast cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity. This monumental event marked the birth of our solar system. The central mass formed the sun, while the surrounding material coalesced into the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies we know today. As the protoplanetary disk surrounding the young sun cooled, solid particles began to stick together, forming planetesimals. Over time, these planetesimals collided and merged, giving rise to the planets. The rocky inner planets and the gas giants of the outer solar system took shape, each with its unique characteristics. In the early eons, the solar system experienced a period of dynamic chaos. Collisions were frequent, shaping the planets and their moons. Earth, in particular, underwent cataclysmic events like the formation of the moon, which played a crucial role in stabilizing our planet's axial tilt. As our cosmic journey continues, we arrive at a pivotal moment, the emergence of life on Earth. The conditions became favorable for the development of single-celled organisms, setting the stage for the evolution of complex life forms. Earth's diverse ecosystems and the emergence of intelligent beings, like us, mark significant chapters in the solar system's narrative. Fast forward to the future, and we encounter the inevitable fate of our sun. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel, transforming into a red giant. This expansion will likely engulf the inner planets, including Earth, in a cosmic spectacle. The sun will then shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. While the sun undergoes its transformation, the planets will continue their long-term evolution. Tidal interactions, collisions, and gravitational dynamics will influence their destinies. Moons might be captured or lost, and the surfaces of planets will bear witness to the cosmic forces at play. As we peer into the future, human exploration and colonization become integral to the solar system's story. Missions to Mars, the outer planets, and their moons will unlock the mysteries of our celestial neighbors. Establishing colonies and habitats beyond Earth could become a reality, expanding our presence in the cosmic theater. The final chapters of the solar system story extend into the realm of interstellar travel. Concepts like solar sails, ion propulsion, and advanced spacecraft technologies could propel humanity beyond the confines of our sun's influence, ushering in an era of exploration in the interstellar void. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic odyssey through the history and future of the solar system, from its celestial birth to the evolving dance of planets and the potential for human expansion into the cosmos. The solar system's story is one of awe and inspiration. Until our next cosmic exploration, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and embrace the wonders of the celestial tapestry that surrounds us.